Hello everyone, this is me here with True Door Property Management, here to present to you 2300 Timberwood here in Irvine. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It does have a single car garage as well. It comes in at a little bit over 1,000 square feet and is in a gated community. So here is a little look at the community. Nice quiet neighborhood in a good part of Irvine here. So let's go ahead and take a look inside and see what this house has to offer. So the first level does just go directly straight up to the second floor, which is the main living area. Right here you do have your single car garage. So here it is attached. Again, single car garage. Does have a little bit of a storage closet right behind that door there. So good space for one of the cars here. So let me go ahead and take you upstairs. It does have brand new carpeting here and fresh paint. So this house is in great condition. So here's just a look up the stairway. There is quite a bit of windows here, so it does allow in lots of natural light right here in the staircase as well. So when you get up to the second floor, you do have your kitchen immediately on your left. Does have white cabinetry with quartz countertops here. Does have a dishwasher, your stove, oven, microwave, and fridge. See if I can get you a nice full look. Does have a nice little viewing window into the formal dining room. So here are the countertops in case you were curious. Really nice clean look. Does kind of go up and act as a backsplash as well. And then you have your fridge as well. And then just outside of the kitchen is the living room area. It does feature a fireplace here. So see if I can get you some better views of this entire space. And again, this is the fireplace. And then just through the living room, you do have your formal dining room area. This part is wood. Main parts of the house are going to be the new carpet that's been placed. Does have a nice little chandelier, so great for a little entertaining, little serving window as well if you want to make it easy to kind of deliver food or whatever you may need. And then it also has a nice little balcony area as well. And that is kind of your view there. So anytime you want to just come outside and enjoy the weather, you have a great place to do that. Then I'll take you across the hall. Across the hall you will have your bathroom. There is some extra storage in the hallway for any linens or whatever else you may need. And then another closet here, coat closet. And then here is your bathroom area. It is a single vanity. Does have a nice large mirror. And then you have your standing shower and tub combo. All right, and then right next door to the bathroom, you do have the laundry room. Washer and dryer is not included, so you would have to provide those on your own. And here is kind of the hookup. Looks like it would be a gas line. And then finally, we do have the single bedroom. So really good size master here. Does have a walk-in closet and kind of a extra space on the right for kind of whatever you would like to do with it. Could be an office, you know, little living area, however you wanted to design it. Up to you, but again, it is a very nice large space here. I'm just trying to, so this is from all the way inside the little office area, so as you can tell, it is a pretty large space. Again, there is the fresh carpet throughout. And then here would be your walk-in closet with some nice built-ins for organizing your clothes. All right, so that is 2300 Timberwood here in Irvine. If you are interested, please visit our website, www.truedoorpm.com, to submit your application. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.